All right. Hello. My name is Gabe, and I'm part of the ARSL team. And we just got back from Shellhacks 2024. So I wanted to get this project loaded up on my computer so that I could demo this project not in a room full of a bunch of people and only running on 3 hours of sleep. So I'm going to be giving a brief overview of the project and what it does, and then I will be going into technical details and lessons that we learned during the hackathon. First, I want to give a huge thank you to the FIU judges and the sponsored judges. We had a lot of fun demoing to you guys, and we received some really fun questions to answer. And we were so proud of the project. So we were stoked that we got second place overall, first place in the Microsoft Challenge, and second place in the Google Challenge. So now for the project. So ARSL stands for Augmented Reality Sign Language, and this is an ASL learning platform. So what you're seeing right now is the camera feed of the Oculus Quest that I'm wearing. And this camera feed is being sent to a server that's performing object detection. You can see this red box that's bouncing around. That is actually the server detecting an object, then sending that data back to the Quest for it to draw a nice little box around it for me. And what we're doing with this information, translating the name of that object into ASL glyphs. So ARSL is showing me the glyphs to spell laptop, and it's just guiding me through signing how to spell it. So I'll go ahead and start. So I'll give an L, then I'll give an A, P. Oh, that's a Q, not a P. There we go. I'll be talking about it in the technical details, but there are some letters that are trouble spots for us, and T is one of them. So I'm going to go ahead and skip it for now and spell the rest of laptop. Here's an O and a P. Cool. Missing from this demo is the haptic feedback glove. What it does is that it vibrates on individual fingers depending on how you're signing the next letter that we're expecting from you from the word. So if you're trying to sign a T but you're putting your thumb through the wrong finger, then it would vibrate on your thumb to let you know that its position is wrong. Alright, so here's another object that the image detection picked up, the mouse on my desk. So I'm going to try to give it an M. M is another one of our pain points, so I'm going to go ahead and skip it, but here's an O, and a U, and an S, an S. So the reason that we have some problem letters is that we found that the Quest is really terrible at extrapolating the physical position of a finger once it goes behind your hand. So symbols like T and M and N are really difficult for the Quest to see because it doesn't really know where the thumb is when it goes behind the hand. So it can't differentiate between those. So there's a lot of letters like that, but also another limitation is that the Quest doesn't really let the ghost hand cross fingers. So if I'm trying to sign an R, you can see that my physical hand, my index finger is crossing the middle finger, but in the Oculus, the ghost is just holding those two fingers up instead of crossing them. So diving into the technical details, starting off with the glove. August made the glove. He made all of the software for the glove. The glove is communicated to through Bluetooth from the server. It's a Bluetooth mouse as far as the code sees it. Then the environment was made in Unity. This was CJ's first time using Unity. He made all the UI, so we're super proud of him for that. The TCP tunnel that the images are being sent through was made by me, and I also made the object detection pipeline using the YOLO v5 pre-trained model. We used YOLO v5 because it has a breadth of classes that we can identify. Jack did all of the hand recognition. How it works is we are taking the value of every single joint inside of the hand, including the fingernails, so that we can determine orientation, and we're cross-checking those between our true signs that we have for each letter of the ASL alphabet. And then For the glove, we are calculating the delta between the hand that the user is making and the hand sign that we're expecting, and we're calculating an intensity per finger to vibrate the motors for that glove. So thank you guys so much. We were really happy with the project, and we're glad that so many people liked it. We will be at Shellhacks in 2025, so we will see you there. For now, we're going to be prepping for Night Hacks, which is this weekend. Thank you. Bye.